All right, a quick update on Jasmy here. So Jasmy's looking good over the last 2 weeks. We're still holding up over the point 0.5 at 3-1. After this strong pattern here, we broke out. We got over that first resistance level, curling up with the higher highs and higher lows. The overall chart here on Jasmy looks extremely healthy in my opinion. So as long as you hold 3-1, the next stop's going to be the 618 at 5.5 pennies. That is a 76% move. And then once we get through that, the next stop is going to be your $6 billion market cap to the 786 at 12.5 pennies there. So not a bad move here, 300% move up to get to that level there. But this is a huge step in the right direction for Jasmy to get over the point 0.5 here out of that pattern. Now, as for how high Jasmy is going to go, let me go ahead and adjust this down to that support level. Now, for a new all-time high, according to this Coinbase chart, that's going to take you up to a $65 billion market cap, all the way up here to the 1272 at about $1.31. And you can see that is a decent 41x on Jasmy here to make it to that price target. Now, if we only come up to the previous high, maybe we break it a little bit, maybe we come just below it, you're looking at around a $17 billion market cap, around this 35-30 cent range. And depending on if it's below it or above it, you're looking at anywhere from a 10x to maybe a 12, maybe a 13x here, if it comes up in this range here. Now, if you've been watching the channel here for Jasmy, we look over at the Gate.io chart. Here on the Gate.io chart, we're back over the 236 at 16 off of this pattern. Nice move up. Didn't quite make it up to the 382. And what we do here on this chart is we can simply draw a fib going from that low in that pattern, in that consolidation. And you can see we just ended up taking out the 236. So we do have 2.9 here. As long as you're above that 3 or 0, pretty much 3 pennies, as long as you're above 3 pennies, you're bullish to continue pushing higher here. But it's the same thing on the other chart, that 3-1 level. But according to this chart here, this is what I wanted to point out. The 618 retracement on this one is that 30.5 or a $14 billion market cap. And going from today, where we are on that other chart, sitting on that 3 penny support, you're looking at about a 9.5 to 10x to that 30 cent range. So it almost matches up here. And then this chart here is the 786 retracement up to $1.09, a $50 billion market cap. And going from today, you are looking at a very decent 34-35x on your investment here. So I do think this one of these targets is going to get hit. I'm leaning more toward the dollar range here on this Gate.io chart for a 786 retracement, a $50 billion market cap, and a decent return here. So depending on what chart you use is, where you're going to focus your attention at. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.